Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about how to update your iPhone 11 to Apple's latest operating system, iOS 26.1. The newest iOS update brings a host of new features, vital security patches, and crucial bug fixes to your phone. In this video, we will learn this process clearly, step by step. Part 1. Pre-update preparations. Before you begin the update process, there are a few essential steps you must take. Full charge. Ensure your iPhone's battery is charged above 50%. It is best practice to keep it connected to the charger during the update. This is vital because if the battery dies, the update could stop and potentially harm your phone. Stable Wi-Fi connection. The iOS update file is usually quite large. Therefore, connecting to a fast and stable Wi-Fi network is mandatory. Do not attempt to update using mobile data. Back up your data. This is the most crucial step. To ensure you can recover your data if anything goes wrong, back up everything on your phone using iCloud or a computer. To back up with iCloud, go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now. Sufficient storage space. Your iPhone must have enough storage space, typically 8 to 12 gigabytes, to download and install the update file. To check storage, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Part 2. Direct software update or over-the-air. Let's do it now. Go to Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Select General, scroll down a bit and tap General. Select Software Update, then select Software Update. Wait, the iPhone will check for the latest update. Find the update. The newest iOS 26.1 version will appear on the screen, showing the features and file size. Download and install. Tap the Download and Install button. Enter passcode. Your phone's passcode will be requested. Enter it correctly. Terms and conditions. Read Apple's terms and conditions and tap Agree to continue. Downloading process. The update file will now begin downloading. This may take a few minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Preparing for update. Once the download is complete, the phone will display Preparing for Update. Install now. When it's ready, you can tap the Install Now button. After tapping Install Now, your iPhone will automatically restart and begin the installation process. At this moment, the Apple logo and a progress bar will appear on the screen. Under no circumstances should you try to turn off the phone or unplug it from the charger. This installation process can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes to complete. Part 3. Post-update verification. Once the installation is complete, your iPhone will restart again and return to the home screen. Verification. To check if the update was successful, go to Settings, General, About. The iOS version should now show 26.1 or the latest version number. New features. You can now enjoy all the enhanced features, faster performance, and increased security that iOS 26.1 offers. Check out the new UI changes and updated apps. Final summary. The new iOS update will further improve the functionality and security of your iPhone 11. Remember, battery charge, Wi-Fi, and backup are the most important steps. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides like this. Thank you.